Rayo's fettuccine Alfredo. Looks real good. There it is. Rayo's fettuccine Alfredo. Alright, for today's lunch, we're gonna do Rayo's Alfredo pasta sauce review. This one is 4-cheese Alfredo. You can pause the video here for nutrition facts. Here's the back of it. Here's the view from the top. Looks really good. Looks delicious. Here's the cap. The old caps used to have that really nice design, but I guess they stopped doing that to save money. The sauce still looks real good though. Gonna add this cheese to it. Alright, pasta looks to be ready. Yep, definitely ready. Alright, in goes the sauce. That should be plenty. There it is. It looks good. I'm going to add the cheese. Hard to see. White on white. Get everything mixed up real good. Make sure the cheese melts into the sauce. Now we're going to add the pasta. It goes in there. It's looking good. Just mix it. Keep mixing it till the pasta absorbs the sauce, which is about, as you can see, that's it. It's ready to go. All right, here we go. Lunchtime. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh, it's so good. Wow. That extra cheese I put in there. The fresh grated cheese, man, that makes the difference. Real good stuff. Oh, it's 5 out of 5, guys. Rayo's still good. Still great. For something you buy at the store. Real good. I'm gonna save the rest of it and maybe do a Rayo's versus Carbone Alfredo pasta sauce review. It's good stuff. Ah, this is excellent. Excellent. All right. There it is. 5 out of 5. Rayo's comes through again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.